Have you ever wondered if our bodies are truly built for the diets we eat today? We're often told that humans are natural omnivores, but let's take a closer look at the evidence our own anatomy provides. When we compare ourselves to true carnivores, some fascinating differences emerge. Think of a lion or a wolf. Their teeth are long, sharp, and pointed, perfectly designed for tearing and ripping flesh. Now, look at our own teeth. We have short, flattened canines that are a far cry from the daggers found in a predator's mouth. Our incisors are broad and spade-shaped, ideal for biting into fruits and vegetables, not for slicing through tough hides. Our molars are also telling. They are wide and flat with complex cusps, designed for grinding and crushing plant matter. This is a stark contrast to the blade-like carnassial teeth of carnivores, which shear past each other like scissors to slice through flesh. The structure of our jaws tells a similar story. True carnivore's jaw moves only up and down, a powerful, vice-like motion that provides maximum force for crushing bone and sinew. There is very little side-to-side movement. Our jaws, however, are capable of significant lateral side-to-side motion. This is the same kind of chewing motion you see in herbivores like cows or deer, allowing them to thoroughly grind down fibrous plant materials before swallowing. This grinding is essential for breaking down tough cellulose. This side-to-side grinding ability is not a feature found in animals designed primarily for a diet of flesh. Their jaw structure prioritizes a powerful vertical bite over the ability to masticate. Let's venture deeper into our anatomy, into the digestive tract. The length of our intestines is one of the most compelling pieces of evidence. Carnivores have very short intestinal tracts, typically only about 3 to 6 times their body length. This short transit time is crucial for them. Flesh begins to putrefy quickly, and a short digestive system ensures that it's processed and expelled before it can release harmful toxins into the body. Now, consider herbivores. Their intestinal tracts are incredibly long, often 10 to 12 times their body length, or even longer. This extensive length is necessary for the fermentation and breakdown of tough plant fibers. And where do humans fit in? Our intestinal tract is long, roughly 9 times our body length. This places us squarely in the herbivorous range, far from the short-gutted anatomy of a true carnivore. This extended length gives our bodies ample time to break down complex carbohydrates and absorb nutrients from plant-based foods. It's a system built for the slow, deliberate digestion of fiber and starches. Another significant difference lies in our stomach acidity. A carnivore's stomach produces extremely strong hydrochloric acid, creating a pH of 1 to 2, even with food present. This intense acidity is vital for killing the dangerous bacteria commonly found in decaying flesh. It also helps them digest large chunks of protein and even bone. Our stomach acid, by comparison, is much weaker. With food in our stomach, our pH ranges from 4 to 5, which is about 20 times less acidic than that of a carnivore. This level of acidity is perfectly suited for breaking down fruits, vegetables, and starches, but it's not effective at killing the pathogens found in flesh or breaking down large quantities of animal protein efficiently. Evolutionary biology provides further context. For the vast majority of our species' history, our ancestors subsisted on a diet composed largely of plant foods. They were foragers and gatherers, relying on fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. The regular consumption of large quantities of animal products is a relatively recent development in human history, spurred by the advent of organized hunting and later animal agriculture. Our core physiology, however, was shaped over millions of years on a predominantly plant-based diet. Our bodies retain the features of our herbivorous ancestors. For example, unlike true carnivores, humans cannot synthesize their own vitamin C. We must obtain it from our diet, primarily from fruits and vegetables. This is a classic trait of an animal that evolved with a constant supply of plant matter. Carnivores, on the other hand, can produce their own vitamin C internally, as their natural diet contains very little of it. Think about our instincts as well. Do we react to a field of ripe berries the same way we react to a live animal? A true carnivore is instinctively drawn to the sight and sound of potential prey. Our senses and our gut reactions are geared towards identifying ripe, colorful plant foods. The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables are appealing to us, a signal of nutrients and energy. Consider how we prepare animal-based foods. We have to cook them extensively to make them safe to eat and easier to digest. We then often disguise the flavor with an array of plant-based spices, herbs, and sauces. This is fundamentally different from a true carnivore, which consumes its food raw and unadorned. Our elaborate preparation methods suggest that these foods are not something our bodies are naturally equipped to handle in their raw state. From our teeth and jaw mechanics to the length of our intestines and the acidity of our stomachs, our bodies consistently align with the anatomy of a herbivore, not a carnivore, or even a true omnivore. The evidence is written into our very biology, a story millions of years in the making. Understanding our evolutionary design can empower us to make food choices that are in true alignment with our bodies. It's a journey of discovery, looking past cultural habits to see what our anatomy is telling us. The answers are right there, within ourselves, waiting to be understood. Thank you for joining this exploration into our natural diet. If you found this information insightful, please subscribe to my channel, Be Kind Fare. For more content that delves into wellness and conscious living,